subject of this film is about passion. So, bakit ko nga ba pinili 'tong topic na 'to? Una sa lahat, kailangan natin mas maging matipid. Pangalawa, kung ikaw ay estudyante pa lamang, mas maganda kung marunong na tayong mag-save para mas ready tayo sa mga emergency needs natin. And lastly, if you are passionista, wala yan sa brand, sa nagdadala yan. Dahil marami pa ring taong mas bumibili ng expensive clothes, bags, and accessory na mas pwede na naman nating mabili sa mas mababang halaga at still good looking and good quality pa. Yes, I also advocate to reduce carbon footprint. Why? Marami pa kasi tayong pwedeng paggamitan ng pera, lalo na ako as a mommy and student, tinitimbang ko kung gaano ka-efficient ba yung item na binili ko. Hindi dahil sa trending siya, influenced by other. Siyempre, as a buyer, chinecheck ko yung quality ng item. May mga times nga na mas maganda din bumili sa mga stalls, SM, but there's always a but. Bakit? If sa mga ukay-ukay, mas may makikita akong better and wash lang naman yung magiging way to make better yung look ng item na binili ko, sa totoo lang, walang mawawala. If minsan itry nyo bumili sa ukay-ukay, and some clothes are also branded and good looking also. Kasi kung ikaw, yung taong magaling sa fashion, there's no reason to buy expensive thing if you can see there's an option to make fabulous using ukay-ukay clothes and accessory.
The first thing I found is this super coquette inspired na lace dress. Ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakami niya. And another one na dress na ang ganda ng pagkatul, ang ganda ng floral details, everything. Wow! And then I also found another cute pink dress na ang tagal kong hinawakan, guys. Like, tingnan nyo yung back details niya. Super ganda ng construction. And iniwan ko sila because napakamahal nila. 150 each, guys. So, wala. I have to let them go. So, the next thing I found is this cute pistachio top. Pero hindi ko rin kinuha kasi 60 pesos each iti-thrift flip ko din siya. I also found this cute black skirt na may florals. Pero I didn't buy it kasi hindi ko rin talaga siya masusuot. And ang pinaka main goal ko talaga for this trip is makahanap ng denim jumper, pero hindi ako nakahanap for this day kasi puro skinny yung mga jumper nila. Ang gusto kong hanapin is baggy, so I continued looking. Actually kasi guys, mas nagiging mindful ako sa pag-uukay ko recently because marami na ako mga pieces na binili because cute lang pero hindi ko talaga sila nasusuot. So, mas nagiging careful ako sa mga pieces na iuwi ko na alam kong magagamit ko sila for a long period of time. So, ito na yung ukay bag update ko, guys. Medyo marami na akong nahanap. Mostly for my shop rin kasi siningit ko lang talaga makaukay for myself. And ayun, nag-continue lang ako maghanap-hanap. Actually, kasi this day, maraming new arrivals. So, marami din yung medyo hindi pa mura yung prices. So, I was being careful kasi 500 lang yung iba-budget ko for that day for my shop and for myself. And eto na ako, nililipat ko na yung mga nahanap ko dun sa isa ko pang dalang eco bag kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya buhatin, guys. Grabe na yung back pain ko.
Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you.
And then, I just ended my ukay trip there and excited for the next ukay trip.
So I learned that the importance of promoting the quality and variety of second-hand items, promoting DIY and upcycling, and transparent sourcing. It is suggests that consumer can find unique, well-made pieces without compromising on style. In addition, the needs for balance between education, engagement, and inspiration to encourage consumer to adopt a more sustainable approach to the fashion. By promoting these practices, consumer can make more informed decision about purchasing second-hand items. Thank you. That's all.